So after filming, you get back and then you have to start the kids drama. Endpoint before you get children, maybe reason however because you work with it, don't be small.
Don't come fall out, come tell us say to born many children e no easy. No, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, my darling people, may you go subscribe so that you go to hear many tori wey we dey bring come here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. My darling people, Mercy Johnson don come talk say so born many children e no easy. Oh, he say before you go come do this one, do that one, take care of this one, take care of this one. In fact, you no go even get time for your own self again. When Mercy Johnson come talk that word, I come say I come pick am, I come pick sense inside. So not be like she talk. Oh. So born many children, born pikin wey you go fit take care of for this. In fact, Nigeria sef even say good, but for Europe here, the kind suffer wey dey part two no dey. Oh, even when you even dey with the man for inside house, your husband go work in the morning. Person wey go work na go come dey help you when he go reach house. He go tire too, he wan still rest. You understand? That is why when Mercy Johnson do this video, I say no be lie, Mercy Johnson talk. I don't know how now the rest people go reason the matter, but for me, Mercy Johnson no lie. Oh, born pikin wey you fit take care of, not born because say your husband want make you born many children. You fit calculate and you fit look am. The man dey work. If he dey work, my dear, you no go fit. Only you one go come do this one. That make you see for European now. They come go buy double kidavagin. Una know wetin be kidavagin? Wetin they carry that keke wey they carry children. Na be kidavagin for Germany. So I don't know wetin other people they call am. They come go buy double. The pikin before not be twins, so but they come go buy am because the other one see they small. It never reach to the waka follow them. You understand? You see, this European, e no easy. You know, when Mercy Johnson do this video, I say, una go look am like joke, but not be joke. Mercy Johnson no lie at all. He no lie for wetin he talk, You see Obama. Now, when Nigerians, they made that kind of very big mistake, you know. You see Obama, 2 children, 2 girls, now you get 2. You see, I say, see border? No. But we go the rush, especially this Europe here. Especially this Europe here. The one where they even baffle me passing. The one where fair even get Pikin. Now you go see the all the one born many. It go the shocktalize me. Who never ever fair born not the Oreo. People who don't fair born Pikin for this Europe here. Now that they all repass to the born many. And I not be say they say Pikin not good though. Pikin they very good, but born the one where you go fit take care of. Now it make you see say pepper body will come they worry some women for year because their brain don't kaput. The Pikin they give the trouble for house. Pikin when you born follow away see this small. What do you expect? Now still baby, but you come the one they put on for adults because you don't born follow am. Before you do any small thing, now if you be more than when they quit beat Pikin, you begin the beat am. Yeah, you go begin the beat am. You begin the beat am. You forget then I see baby, you still need your pet. You understand? So when I just see this video when Mercy Johnson talk, I say, our Europe women supposed speak sense for this video. They supposed speak sense for this video. Mercy Johnson no lie for this video at all. You understand? Born Pikin when you fit take care of. Not already they born follow Pikin. E no good. Because at the end, now you go they suffer am. So men, they know they help you do anything. No. They know they help you do anything. You go there, they suffer. You go there, only you want go they do this one. Do this one. The other time you can't know what you do yourself. You understand? So e not really good make we dey born many children like that wey be say you no go fit take care of. You understand? Mercy Johnson say before you come do this one, do the other one. Oh, do the other one. Oh, she will come tire. I no be lie. E no even one safe. E no easy. E get one woman wey e pikin dey go the same school with my pikin. Now one pikin na she dey carry dey go. That pikin now wan complete 6 years so I come say, you no get another pikin? She say no. He say only this one alone pass 100 pikin for inside house. He say so the woman not be Nigerian woman no. He say no. He say no just dey in the area at all. He say the people he pikin they tell am say he wants or not, he want sister, he want brother, but she dey fear because only this one alone, the trouble wey they give am for inside house alone, he himself dey tire. Talk less of say he go come dey hurry say he wan born. That one na woman wey dey husband house o. He say he no dey in the hurry at all. He say he no dey in the hurry. You understand? Me come see the one that say they say they see who get sense like this. And na truth. That make you see say some women will come dey depressed because of so many children for inside house. So far, I mean, by get husband that they talk, now husband where they help you. Now you go they talk. And if the man they work, what do you expect? Person will come for work, now will come they help you, they carry children. More let me share this video. Some of our women need to pick sense for this video. Really, they need to pick sense. More than help me share this video. Some of our women, they know they think of another thing again because they want born. Especially this country where me I dey so. Someone born because make their money big. Someone born because of make their money make it big well. Someone born because I want make my children many. They don't want come born again because say I really need the pikin. They someone just born because of the benefits. Make their money they increase. And they can't they forget, say, Germany go leave you, make you they born men, you know. When you can't they born men, you can't see, say, you no confit take care of them. They go see help you collect her for your hand. Then make you they see the one where they cry, come on, they don't collect my pikin, no. They don't collect my pikin, no, because the children too much. She not fit again. The pikin, and I make you see some pikin, they'll come they misbehave for school. From there now, these people will come enter your body, they'll come collect the pikin from you. And you'll come reason your life that time. It's not too late for you. So, my darling people, make with the reason things before we go they do sometimes. Not born because my mates they born. Born. Give gaps more. So that you go physically get time for your own self. Not let them too they born them every year like that. It not make sense, my people. It not make sense. Born pikin where you fit take care of, so that may you not go depressed for small pikin. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. I hope Mona pick some sense for this video, and Mona help me share them, so that make it still reach some of our women where they made this kind of mistake. And thank you, my bonga people. So I go put the video with Message Johnson for talk now. Bye.
So after filming, you get back and then you have to start the kids drama. Endpoint before you get children, maybe reason well because the work with it don't be small work. You understand me now? You shout, your voice go grow, you know sleep. So I now I go read, you still get to hold them, make them sleep before you sleep. Before you get children, make up your mind, see now what you want to be that, because you hear them.